So let me talk more about a theme forest because there's a lot of things that you want to know that a lot of people didn't really tell you. So I'm just going to tell you. So on Instagram graphics, right? You see, there's a lot of things. Try out Instagram puzzles. So as Instagram puzzles, you see, if you don't have like a graphic design background, you can click here, stuff like that. Maybe now it's summertime, and then you can check summer Instagram pictures, and then all you need to do is just buy and then download and then just change it into something that you can make your feed look so professional. There's so many ways that you can do, and then you can just search actually anything through Instagram. Let's click here. So when you click here, okay, see, I have already banners for you done, all professionally done. So this is something that you can do it, and just pay it, and then you just get it done. Another thing is like Canva, right? Because some people ask me, hey, can you teach me how do you even design one? So let's try to design one and I explain to you. Okay, so under Instagram you can click here. So example, if you're doing something about let's see, this is something more about real estate. So you just click here and you can just change, step into your space, probably in Singapore, and then you can change the date to 2001, something like that. You can change the pictures, you can upload pictures here, click and upload. Yeah, as you can see, there was like my old pictures. So example, if I want to show, see, you click here, back here, you want to put it back center backwards, okay? So a lot of people don't notice. Center backwards, create something, you see, it's done up already, almost done. Oh, can even zoom in, looks cool, right? Step into your own place. Maybe this can be something about touring, so it really depends on what you want to do. So this is like a free way if you do not want to use your ThemeForest. See, there's so many other ways. Then let's try Instagram story. Oh, they already have so many of it. So let's click. So you can post up stories. See, everything, it's all there for you. So you can just slowly check it out. This is very interesting. So one thing about the Instagram stuff on ThemeForest, it's actually better because it's already done up for you. You see something really cool, and all you just need is actually Photoshop. You just download, import it, and then you just do the same way as how you do your Canva. Okay, so there's another thing, like if you really want to do Instagram presets. Okay, this is something that you see, all you need to download, and then you can make your Instagram look so cool, like all this dark and moody. You're wondering where all these photographers get their so-called presets, right? See, it's all here. You just need to download, and then boom, look, Instagram bloggers, Instagram travels. So it's all about the presets. Then you always have to remember, you have to have a style. If you always with this style, like this preset, then just click to it. And it's like white blogger, you just always want to be a white blogger. There's this white concept, like this preset, you just take pictures or just wear all in white, and then everything you can see this, and then boom. So it's all about making your feeds really beautiful. Like as you can see now, my hair's all blonde and I'm in white. I should totally buy like this Lightroom preset white blogging thing. So just go into ThemeForest and find out more. It's really interesting. Thank you.